Green chemicals are the future of water treatment. But what if one chemical could oxidize pollutants, disinfect water, and remove suspended solids all at the same time? Meet sodium ferrate Na₂FeO, a next-generation water treatment chemical that's gaining global attention. Sodium ferrate is a purple-colored chemical containing iron in the +6 oxidation state, also known as ferrate 6. It is one of the strongest environmentally friendly oxidizing agents and is often called a 3-in-1 water treatment chemical. Sodium ferrate works in 3 simple steps. First, oxidation. It breaks down organic pollutants, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, iron, manganese, and other contaminants. Second, coagulation. It converts into ferric hydroxide, which forms flocks that remove suspended solids, phosphorus, and heavy metals. Third, disinfection. It destroys bacteria, viruses, and other harmful microorganisms, helping produce cleaner and safer water. Sodium ferrate is used in drinking water plants, municipal wastewater treatment, pharmaceutical industries, textile industries, chemical manufacturing, and mining wastewater treatment. Its key advantages include 3 functions in one chemical: lower sludge generation, environmentally friendly byproducts, reduced chemical consumption, improved treatment efficiency. Although sodium ferrate is currently more expensive and has storage challenges, ongoing research is making it more practical for large-scale use. Could sodium ferrate become the future of sustainable water treatment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Station for more environmental engineering and EHS content.